Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to draw a girl with a cape. You need materials like paper, pencil, eraser. First you draw the start by drawing an oval shape for the head. The bottom part should be slightly narrower than the top. Draw a vertical line down the center of the oval to help with facial symmetry. Then draw a horizontal line across the middle of the oval for the eyes. Along the horizontal guidelines, draw two almond shapes for the eyes. Add small circles inside for the pupils and shade them. You can add a small dot of light reflection for detail. Just below the eyes, draw a small curved line for the nose. Below the nose, draw two small lines to outline the lips. The top lip is slightly thinner than the bottom. Sketch the hairline above the eyes. Let the hair fall naturally over the shoulders. You can make the hair long, short, wavy or straight. Start with the cape's base, curving it slightly to fit the head. Draw the brim of the cape above the forehead, a bit protruding. You can add a few details on the cape such as lines or patterns. Sketch a simple neck below the head and draw the shoulders and upper body. Keep the body proportion simple, just a curved line for the torso. Add small details like eyelashes, eyebrows and any accessory like earrings. Go over your drawing with a pen or a darker pencil to outline the important features. You can add colors to the cap, hair and clothes for a more vibrant look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. With patience, your drawing skills will improve and you can experiment with different poses and styles. Thanks for watching this video.